Welcome back. Today we'll be simplifying this equation. Now to do this, we have x to the power of 6 written in this form, x to the power of 3, 2. Multiplying all the powers is still the same. Minus 64, which is 2 to the power of 6 equals 0. Now rewriting this again, here I still have my x to the power of 3, 2. Now writing to the power of 6, it can be written as 2 to the power of 3 times 2 equals 0. It's still the same thing as this. Now solving further, then I'm going to use the difference of two squares, which says that a squared minus b squared equal a plus b, a minus b. So this is going to be my a, this is going to be my b. So now applying the rules of difference of two squares to this, here I'm going to have my a plus b, which is s cube plus 2 cube s cube minus 2 cube equals 0. Now applying another rule of algebra, which says that when you have a to the power of 3 plus or minus b to the power of 3 can be written as a plus b, a squared minus plus ab plus b squared. Now looking at this, you observe that here, if you start with positive, it's going to turn to negative here, and if you are starting with negative, then this is going to turn to positive. So that is the rule. So now applying this rule to solve this. Now let me do this first part. Yes, using this rule for this, here I'm going to have x plus 2, which is like my a and b, x squared, then starting with positive, I'm going to have negative, minus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4. So using the same rule to do this, so here I'm going to have x minus 2 s squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So with this, I can easily get my solutions. And how do I do that? Now, let's start. Here, let's do with the first part. Here we have x plus 2 equals 0. So we can say that our x1 is negative 2. Now, let me skip this and move to this. So here I have x minus 2 equals 0. Then I can say that here my x2 equals what? Positive 2. What about x3 to s6? Let's do that here. So now, coming back to this, here I'm going to have x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation problem. Now, using the quadratic approach, which is a quadratic formula, s is negative b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from here, I can have my negative b to be 2 plus or minus root b squared, which is negative 2 squared, to be 4 minus 4ac. 4 times the coefficient of a, which is 1 times 4, which is what? 16, over 2 times 1, which is 2. Solving this further, I'm going to have 1 plus or minus 3i. This is going to give me 1 plus or minus 3i, because square root of negative 3 is going to give you 3i. So my x3 and my x4 is going to be this. That is, my x3 is going to be 1 plus 3i, and my x4 is going to be 1 minus 3i. And for the last one, which is this, so I have x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Using the same rule I used, which is the quadratic formula, I'm going to have my x, 5, 6 to be what? Negative 1 plus or minus 3i. That is, my x5 is going to be negative 1 plus 3i, and my s6 is going to be what? Negative 1 minus 3i. So finally, my 6 equations is going to be x1, which is negative 2, x2, which is positive 2, x3, which is 1 plus 3i, x4, which is 1 minus 3i, x5, which is negative 1 plus 3i, and finally my s6, which is negative 1 minus 3i. So these are the 6 solutions to this problem. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.